Hey, we have here another integral from the UNT Integration Bee. This was sample problem number 23. We have the integral of x squared over square root of x plus 3 dx. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. The one thing that we really need to deal with is this denominator right here. And what I want to do is a u substitution. Now you could make your u substitution for x plus 3, but I think in this case I just kind of prefer to make my u substitution be equal to the square root of x plus 3. It's going to work out about the same either way, but let's try it this way. And before I differentiate, what I'd like to do is let's solve for x first. So let's see, like u squared, just squaring this is going to give us x plus 3. So then x is going to be u squared minus 3. And then I'll get my dx taking a derivative. So dx is going to be just 2u du. And while I'm at it, since we have this x squared in the numerator, let's get an x squared value. So if I square out this, we're going to have u to the fourth minus 6u squared plus 9. Okay, now let's make this substitution. So in our numerator, we're going to have this x squared, so it's going to be u to the fourth minus 6u squared plus 9. Denominator is just going to be u. That's nice. And dx is going to be 2u du. And then we'll get some nice cancellation right here of the u's. I can bring my 2 out front. And so now we just have power rules. So let's see, we'll have our 2 here. Integrating u to the fourth is going to be u to the fifth over 5 minus 6. Integrating u squared is going to be u to the 3 over 3. And then 9 is going to be just 9u. And before I back substitute, I think what I'm going to do is factor some stuff out of here. What I'll take is, actually let's just cancel a 6 and a 3, and this is going to be a 2. And then what I'm going to factor out is a 1/5 u. We've got a u in common here. So I'm going to write out front, we're going to write this as 2/5 u. And then so here we're going to have u to the fourth. Then for this term it's going to become, so we have that 2 there, so multiplying a 5 back in, it's going to be a 10u squared. And this last term, factoring out the u, but multiplying into 5, we're going to have 45 here. And then actually just one more thing, I've got this u to the fourth right here. So let's, since we have all these values over here, I might as well get u to the fourth while I'm at it. So we'll take the u squared and square that. So u to the fourth is going to be, squaring this is going to be x squared plus 6x plus 9. And now I'm ready to back substitute. So we're going to have 2/5. U is going to be the square root of x plus 3. We have our u to the fourth value, x squared plus 6x plus 9. On the u squared, I need to distribute in the minus 10, so we're going to have minus 10 times x plus 3, so it's going to be minus 10x minus 30, and then we just have a plus 45. Okay, now from here I just need to combine a few terms, get a little bit of simplification, so we'll leave this part out front. Then going through this thing, okay, so we just have an x squared. Combining 6 squared minus 10x is going to give us minus 4x. 45 minus 30 is 15 plus 9 gives us plus 24. Let's tack on a plus c just to be polite, and that's it. Okay, so a pretty good problem there. I like that one. I think we just have one more from the UNT Integration Bee, and then we'll move on to something else. Thanks everyone for watching today. Have a great day.